Welcome to Yon Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have the Stenograph Elan Mira A3. This is a professional paperless shorthand machine used in court reporting. It's got a LCD tilting screen. It's got SD card slots in the back for notes. And it's got audio synchronization. All sorts of features that court reporters are looking for. This is about 5 pounds 5 ounces, so it's portable and it's meant to be taken pretty much anywhere. I just wanted to show you some functionality tests. It's not a review of anything, just of some functionality tests in terms of pushing buttons and things like that, and to show you what pops up on the screen. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay, in order to make this thing work past the initial screen, you have to have a SD card on top and on the data port. Okay, and then let's zoom in here. There you go. All right, so these buttons correspond to things that are up here. You've got your more for other functions. Well, let's go ahead and just hit these buttons here. All right, so again, a lot of things here that you can do to customize it to the liking of your, the way you want it to work. All right, so let's go ahead and press some buttons here. All right, so again, just showing you a quick look at that the buttons are working and functioning properly. This thing has a non-glare color display. Again, show you that USB and serial port connectivity in the back. It's got that audio synchronization for recording and playback. It's got adjustable keyboard, adjustable keyboard touch, like the beeper volume, LCD color, show you the font size. It supports Case, Catalyst, and other CAT software. And it's got a long battery life. If it was brand new, it would be like 10 hours. But this is an older unit. These were built in 2005. So I don't know how long the battery would last once you take it off the charger. This is about, let's see, 10.5 inches wide, 10 and a half inches tall, and about 5.5 inches in depth. All right, so here's again a quick look at this unit. It's very clean. It does have a couple of scuffs here and there. Here's where the backup battery is, as well as the main battery right here. All right, anyway, that's pretty much it for this Stenograph Elan Mira A3 machine. I hope you liked that quick video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That's Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.